Hello everyone, we are solving Leetcode bi-weekly contest 173 and the problem is minimum subarray length with distinct sum at least k. So in this problem we are given integer array nums and integer k and we need to return the minimum length of the subarray whose sum of the distinct values present in the subarray, each values counted once, is at least k. So we are given an array and we need to count the sum of the subarray with distinct. So in the subarray there may be repeating elements, so we have to count them uh, at once only, right? And the sum should be at least k, and if no such array exists, return -1, right? So what we'll do is simply we'll use unordered map, right? Why unordered map? Because we'll get the count of elements and whether they are present or not, and unordered because we don't need to care about the ordering. So what we'll do is we'll create a start pointer in order to maintain the two pointer in the window. Sum will be the current sum and answer is initialized with integer max so that we can see if we ever found it or not, and simply return -1 if answer is still int max. So what we'll do is we'll start our iteration. We'll see that if the current element is found in my set or not. If it is found, then simply it will increase the counter. Otherwise we'll check because we have to count it distinctly. If it is not found, then I'll add in my sum. I will update sum with the nums of I. I will increment the counter in my map that I have. I'll check that if sum has become greater than equal to k, in that case I need to shrink my window, right? So how I will shrink it? I will do the while loop, and in every iteration I will update my answer with the minimum of the what is the window size, right? And the minimum of answer. I will remove that element from my element and shrink the window, and if that element in my map is equal to 0, that means I have to remove it out, right? The removing will help me in counting the distinct elements, and I will erase it and remove that from my sum also and increment the starter because the window needs to be moving. So yeah, that was all for this question. If you have any query, do comment it out and do follow and like for more daily content. Thank you.